Good morning, because good morning is when you're awake and good night is when you're asleep. So always when you're awake, say yourself good morning. And thank you very much, Library. I've been a regular speaker here, and I thank you all for coming here, and I thank you all the people who regularly watch the lectures. I thank Dr. Malpani also for giving this opportunity. And today my topic is mind tracking. Know thyself. I'll try to make this interactive as much as I can, but if you have any queries, you can write to me on my new mail ID, or this is my contact number. It's also there on WhatsApp. So today is mind tracking, and I have tried to make things in a simple way, so that is easy for everyone to understand. And the final realization is know thyself. Know thyself मतलब अपने आप को जानो. हर स्पिरिचुअल पाथ यही कहता है कि आगे बढ़ने के लिए अपने आप को जानना ज़रूरी है. लेकिन मैंने ये जो स्लाइड्स है, प्रेजेंटेशन है, वो माइंड की तरफ से किया है. आज हमारे लाइफ में हमें स्पिरिचुअली बढ़ना है या लाइफ पाथ हमारे गोल्स में आगे बढ़ना है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा हमारा माइंड जो है वो स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. So how would we track this mind where we are right now? I have given lectures on soul, but today what I like most is about mind, because there is lots been said about mind, but I want to give it in a simple way that even a common man can try and understand and explore this unexplored path. क्योंकि कई बार हम ये चीज़ नहीं एक्सप्लोर करते, हमारे सामने बहुत सारी सिंपल चीज़ें रहती है, लेकिन द फैक्ट दैट वी डू नॉट एक्नॉलेज आवर सेल्फ एंड फैक्ट दैट वी डू नॉट एक्नॉलेज, हम अपने आप को ही नहीं एक्नॉलेज करते, तो वो सिंप्लिसिटी हम समझ नहीं पाते, एंड देन वी ट्राई थ्रू अ पाथ हम एक्सप्लोरेशन करते हैं. तो इट्स लाइक अ कंप्लीट ज़ीरो वी टेक. हमारा स्टार्ट भी उधर ही था, हमारा अंत भी उधर ही था, लेकिन हमें एक सर्कल लेना पड़ता है. और ये सोल ऐसे बहुत सारे जर्नीज लेता है, लेकिन माइंड एक ऐसा टूल है जो हर चीज़ को कैप्चर करता है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना कैमरा. हम कैमरा यूज़ करते हैं आजकल, डिजिटल यूज़ करते हैं, मोबाइल में यूज़ करते हैं, हर जगह हम यूज़ करते हैं. वॉट इट कैप्चर्स इज़ द मेमोरी. So mind is also like that. It captures all the memory from all your soul essences. So it's like a tracking tool. Mind is like a software. It will emit what is there. Your brain is like a जो इसको बोलते हैं कि एक सर्वर के जैसा है, या ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी है, या क्लाउड स्टोरेज जिसको हम बोलते हैं, कि जहाँ पे ये सारा डेटा जो है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोडेड, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नैनो पार्टिकल्स, ये ज़्यादा ये एनर्जी फॉर्मेट्स में आपके ब्रेन में स्टोर किया जाता है. लेकिन कैप्चर कौन करता है? माइंड. बट इफ़ वी नो what levels of mind we are using, like I have highlighted 3 levels of mind here. ये मैंने अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग से किया है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको ये मानना है या नहीं मानना है. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंसेस. वी विल कम टू दी स्लाइड्स लेटर ऑन. लाइक आई हैव कैटेगराइज माइंड एज लोअर सेल्फ, एवरेज कॉन्शियसनेस एंड एनलाइटनमेंट माइंड. ओके, आगे कुछ स्लाइड्स है, उसके थ्रू में मैं आपको थोड़ा डीप में बताऊँगी. बट लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. How to track the level of mind. One is transformation. You can see a beautiful slide here. It talks about, it shows a transformation of a butterfly. Do we think we are different than this? We are also same. When we take a birth, we are like a small child, like a baby. But eventually, as we start growing up, our transformation happens. From a small child, we become a teenager, we become a grown up, and then we become an adult. So slowly transformation happens. It depends on soul to soul. The transformations will be on different level. The butterfly, the transformation happens very fast. But for a human, his mind is built in different levels. When he's small, his mind is very tender. So if it is possible to develop that mind, it's like a soft mold. एक जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि एक शिल्पकार अपनी मिट्टी से जो भी बनाना चाहता है वो बना सकता है. तो बच्चों का जो माइंड होता है वो इसी तरीके से होता है. वो आप जो बनाना चाहते हो उस हिसाब से वो ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा. सो इट्स लाइक वी हैव गिवन almost 70 to 80 years of our life to transform. कई बार ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें अच्छी बचपन में मिलती है, अच्छी अपब्रिंगिंग होती है या अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होती है। आजकल स्कूल्स में भी बहुत सारा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ आ गया है कि बचपन में ही ये जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ये लाया जाए, ना कि व्हेन वी बिकम एडल्ट्स एंड देन वी लुक फॉर अ पाथ, फिर हमें स्पिरिचुअलिटी चाहिए, फिर वी ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर थ्रू वेरियस थिंग्स, बट यही चीज़ें वी गेट इट इन द चाइल्डहुड, इट बिकम्स वेरी ईजी फॉर द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टू हैपन। फिर ये जो लोअर सेल्फ है ये बीच में नहीं आता है। I mean, all these kind of factors of lower self that hamper us, this will not come, because what was built inside our childhood, what was there at that time, was somewhere between an average consciousness and an enlightened mind. And it depends, whatever your mind has captured in various journeys. Sometimes some children already have a highlighted enlightened mind. That means it has either a unique IQ or a super IQ or a super DNAs. DNAs are what? Like every cell in our body has a DNA. Every cell will have a DNA and we have crores and crores of cell. हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे मांसपेशियां हैं, हर सेल के अंदर एक डीएनए है, एक यूनिक डीएनए है, लेकिन कई बार हमारी अनअवेयरनेस से हम इसे एक्सप्लोर नहीं करते। अगर हम इसे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे तो यही बर्थ में हम वो पा पाएंगे कि जो हमने नहीं पाया है। But that exploration depends on your own self. It depends on the strength of your mind. So it's very important to track where is my mind struck right now. So transformation is the biggest aspect. Even if you're right now in this phase, it is easy to transform. It is not hard to transform. We'll see many other tools by which we will track our mind. Our whole spiritual transformation brings to the point where we realize that in our own being we are enough. जो मैंने अभी एग्जाम्पल दिया था कंप्लीट ज़ीरो का, कि है अंदर ही ये सारा सुपर जीन्स जो हम ढूंढ रहे हैं, आइदर हम किसी कोर्स के थ्रू ढूंढने जाते हैं, हम ये करके देखते हैं तो हमारा ये बन जाएगा ये, बट है सारा अंदर। हम घूम के हर माइंड के जर्नीज़ में, हर सोल के जर्नीज़ में घूमते हैं, आते हैं कंप्लीट सर्कल, वो जन्म ख़त्म हो जाता है, वो माइंड ट्रैक कर के थक जाता है, लेकिन होता अंदर ही है, क्योंकि हम अंदर ढूंढने की कोशिश ही नहीं करते। वी डू नॉट ट्राई टू हेल्प द माइंड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म आवरसेल्फ। उसको जो खिलाते हैं वो है सारा लोअर कॉन्शियसनेस, हम उसे खिलाते रहते हैं। Our mind has a capability to accept higher levels of understanding also and lower levels of understanding, depending तुम क्या खाद उसे दे रहे हो। Like if you want to be a fit person, what is the kind of food that you will fit to your body? Nutritious food, high fiber food है, या जिसमें एनर्जी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, या रॉ फॉर्म में। लेकिन अगर हमारे माइंड को और ज़्यादा स्लो डाउन करना है तो हम कैसा खाना खिलाते हैं? लाइक वी यूज़ दैट मोर ऑफ जंक फूड, प्रोसेस फूड। तो उससे माइंड क्या होगा, उसकी जो एनर्जी लेवल्स है वो कम हो जाएंगे। एंड व्हेन द एनर्जी लेवल्स आर लो, इट स्टार्ट्स अफेक्टिंग आवर फिजिकल बॉडी ऑल्सो। सो विल देयर बी अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉर दैट माइंड? नो. But when we shift our focus for something that we want to transform, something like ये transformation हो सकता है जल्दी ना आए, because a pattern that we are used to living, a pattern that we are used to eating, it may be little difficult to break that pattern, but at least a step to change can help you to transform. बटरफ्लाई भी वही होता है, जब वो शुरू करता है तो वो एक लार्वा होता है। Will anyone like to see a larva? No one will like to see a larva. But when it transforms, he is even not aware of its own beauty. What colors he has. We as humans have, I would say, we have super IQ and super intellect. You have seen nowadays a lot of Marvel movies comes and this character, that character. Now where is that character shaped? Someone has designed that character, and if he has designed that character, I'm sure it is somewhere it's possible, and it's somewhere it's real also. Because sometimes we try to focus कि reality क्या है, what is mind reality? Mind reality is something beyond what you are experiencing and what you have not experienced. It's somewhere either parallelly between two or it's parallelly somewhere exactly like a mirror. मतलब वो mirror आपको देखने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, और आपको लगता है कि ये reality है. So mind reality is both. Either you're trying to see yourself for what you are, and either what you see that what you are, you are not, you are something else. Right? So mind reality is divided into various things, and not necessary that you have to accept what I say. You may also have your views, but I'm just trying to give a a broad view क्या हो सकता है, मैंने क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया, ये जो भी मैं बता रही हूँ मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस ही है. लाइक जस्ट आई थिंक yesterday or day before yesterday, I think maybe just yesterday only, no, day before yesterday, I had a dream, and it was in an awakened state. It was not like I was deep asleep, and I could see a beautiful woman was there, and I knew it was a part of me only. It was a part of my soul, higher self, who is trying to see me through it. It was like a mirror. बीच में एक mirror था, and I'm this side, and the lady is on the other side. But it was so still that that lady and me were so still that we could capture our essence so well. That means the connection with both the selves, that my own self and my higher self, is very strong. That means what I see from here she sees, and what she sees from there I see. That means जो बीच का जो mirror है वो बहुत strong है. It's easy to see and experience what's there inside. Sometimes because of our ओशो का एक सेइंग है जो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि अंधों की बस्ती है और रोशनी बेचता हूँ. ये शायद आपको मिल जाएगा कहीं भी गूगल करोगे तो. मैंने बहुत ढूंढने की कोशिश की है, वो स्लाइड मुझे मिलती नहीं है कहीं भी. एक बार मिली थी लेकिन नाउ इट्स गॉन समवेयर. बट ही सेज सो पावर इज देयर इन दैट वर्ड्स दैट अंधों की बस्ती है और मैं रोशनी बेचता हूँ. यानी वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस एनर्जी बट वी आर ब्लाइंड फ्रॉम इनसाइड, तो कैसे दिखेगा. So it's the thing is we have the potentiality in our own being. We are enough. सब कुछ हमारे अंदर ही है. We have the super IQ. We have the intellect. Everything is there inside. We even have higher genes inside us. But the fact that we are not ready or we are not willing, या तो कहीं आपका माइंड वीक पड़ रहा है या आपका कॉन्शियसनेस अवेयरनेस है. लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है ना कि हम स्टेप्स लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. कई बार क्या होता है ना, मुझे सब कुछ सीखना है. सीखना अच्छा है लेकिन जो बोलते हैं ना कि एब्जॉर्ब करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं बहुत कम सीखती हूँ. मैंने सिर्फ जो सीखा है वो है करुणा रेकी सीखा है, और रेकी में मास्टरशिप तक गई हूँ. मैं आई विल डू माई ग्रैंड मास्टरशिप ऑल्सो. बट वही 2 चीज़ें सीखी है, बाकी मैंने कुछ नहीं सीखा है. एंजल्स का भी मैं नॉलेज देती हूँ, मैंने कुछ सीखा नहीं है उसके बारे में. बट एब्जॉर्प्शन मैंने बहुत किया है. Like since my childhood I have been just absorbing and having experiences. और आज जो मैं बता रही हूँ वो उसी का absorption है जो मैंने experiences लिए. एक ठहराव लाया था, एक stillness लाया था कि ये mirror को मैं देख सकूँ और ये mirror को मैं समझ सकूँ कि एक what are these experiences about, and then to say. So absorption is also very important. So I would like to tell everyone, like before learning anything, something new, it's good to learn new things, but absorb whatever you have learned before and try to apply it, not just to grow yourself spiritually, also to make our life better. So you can apply it in your studies, for your career, for your even for your businesses. So try to apply it. Application will make you more in depth, that yes, whatever I've learned, I've been able to implement it, and that will help you to grow, not as a person also, but help you to grow your mind to also on a higher level. Okay, we will not be always stuck here. Now what I see is like people are somewhere either stuck between the lower self or the average consciousness, or they are here but they are not wanting to move. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो यहीं पे स्टक किए हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इनके और इनके बीच में अटके हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इसमें भी आए हैं. There are many people who are there. Even if you see youngsters today, they are already here and they are trying to break the bridge between here and here. Whereas I have taken a very slow journey to come till here. I never started with here. I always started with here. But I wanted to absorb and I wanted to experience. But that experience helped me to go here and stay here for a long time. But because there is a big thing that to stay here, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि it's not a challenge, but it's your own self journey, that वहाँ पे रहना, या not allowing the lower consciousness to come and take you drop you down, and allow that your soul to absorb that of lower consciousness than higher consciousness. So sometimes when you come here, it's a challenge to stay here for a long time. Your ego, if it comes, it can drop you to this level also. Okay, so this is an perfect example. Buddha, if you can see, his inner aura is so enlightened, but you can see the outer thing has all that जिसको बोलते हैं veils of Maya. What is Maya? Maya is an illusion. And what is Maya? It's an illusion created by what? Mind. everything is created by mind. Soul is only the carrier. These are my views. You do not have to agree to everything. I mean, maybe it's through my consciousness I got, because sometimes people tell me that no, this is what you said, but it's okay. You don't have to accept that completely. So it's just my views I'm giving. So this is a slide. There is nothing written in this slide, but what I'm experiencing is light अंदर है, okay? लेकिन बाहर क्या है? Maya. So similarly, we will also have the light inside, which if we try to explore and experience through our mind, and try to question our mind and observe our mind of what it is made up of, we can experience this light outside also. Outside, how we'll experience? In our aura. Okay, an aura is a field that is full of consciousness, but because we think a lot, and we absorb lower frequencies than higher frequencies, our aura radiates only that. But if we start radiating an enlightened mind, or if we start raising above an average consciousness, your aura will have that. So if you have seen some enlightened beings giving lectures and all, there is an aura which is built behind that. There is a strong energy field which is built. So if you keep observing them, you also feel so connected with them, though they may be on an electronic media, or they may be the lectures are going on YouTube, or it's a live Facebook or anything, but energies you can still feel, because the mind is connected at that time. Okay, either your mind will be connected subconsciously, or if you're a regular meditator or something, you will be also able to connect to the superconscious aspect of their mind and your mind. Okay, our soul has many layers. These souls layers are connected with your chakras also, and beyond the 7 chakras there are many chakras. So once you start increasing the consciousness of your mind, the higher chakras also start radiating, or there is a light that you emit, there is a knowledge that you have. That means all these slides I had just prepared it. I didn't plan what I want to tell, so I just invoked that. I did a prayer that whatever knowledge people require, may the divine beings give it to me, and I would be able to explain it to them. So I always experience this on all my lectures, and I only make the slides, but whatever comes to me spontaneously I give it. It's nothing planned. So what I'm experiencing is, I'm experiencing the higher levels of mind. I just invoke it, but because the paths and the channels are very clear, it's easy for me to take that knowledge from the higher source. मीन्स है मेरे अंदर ही, मैंने ही बना के रखा है, मेरे माइंड के लेयर्स के थ्रू मैंने इसको कैप्चर किया है, और इसका एक डायरेक्टरी जो है ये बन गया है, ये कहीं यूनिवर्स में है. अब ये कहाँ दिखेगा मुझे पता नहीं. इसको हम आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स भी कहते हैं, या सोल्स डायरेक्टरीज भी कहते हैं. कैप्चर सब माइंड ने किया है. अब मेरा पार्ट क्या है, मैं सिर्फ डाउनलोडिंग कर रही हूँ, या आई एम टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ हायर मास्टर्स, लाइक गाइड मी एंड गिव मी दैट नॉलेज. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी मैंने ओशो का कोट बता दिया. इट्स सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. It's one line, but it's so strong. अंधों की बस्ती है और मैं रोशनी बेचता हूँ. यानी हम अंधे ही तो है, हम रोशनी एक्सपीरियंस करने चाहते हैं, बट वी आर सो ब्लाइंड. many births we have been wearing these blind glasses, and one by one you need to remove it. Sometimes these are full of anger, sometimes these are full of hatred, sometimes these are full of criticism. So एक जब निकालोगे ना, तो माइंड के लेयर्स क्लियर होते जाएंगे. तो फिर then you will somewhere come to the higher self of your mind, enlightened mind. Then you can experience your higher journeys. Okay, and maybe that might be your last journey, और maybe वहाँ से आपकी हायर जर्नी की शुरुआत हो. तो नेक्स्ट जो बर्थ है, आपके ये लेवल के माइंड ने जो कैप्चर किया है, उस हिसाब से ही आपको नेक्स्ट बर्थ मिलेगा. ना कि ये जो माया का जाल आपने बुना था, ये आपने तोड़ दिया, अब ये नेक्स्ट बर्थ आपको वहाँ से मिलेगा. सो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट एन इल्यूजन. जस्ट वॉट आई टोल्ड वॉज अ मिरर. इस मिरर में हम देखते हैं ना, कि जैसे मैंने अभी जो एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि आई सॉ दिस ब्यूटिफुल लेडी ऑन द अदर साइड. शी वॉज नथिंग बट जस्ट माई हायर सेल्फ. शी वॉज ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्विंग मी एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्विंग हर. बोथ वेर ऑन द सेम कनेक्ट, बिकॉज द मिरर वॉज वेरी क्लियर. उसमें कोई डार्कनेस नहीं था, या कोई जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि बादल आ गए, या ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि यहाँ पे मैं सारा लिख दूंगी. अभी नया कुछ लिखना है तो मुझे ये वाइप करना पड़ेगा. सो नया कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना है, अगर मुझे हायर कॉन्शियसनेस एक्सपीरियंस करना है, तो ये सारा लोअर कॉन्शियसनेस निकालना ही पड़ेगा. या हो सकता है यही जन्म में निकल जाए, या धीरे धीरे एटलीस्ट हम कुछ तो निकालें. जो हमने इतना घड़ा भर के रखा था, हमने माइंड के थ्रू इसको कैप्चर किया, तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा तो कम हो जाए. It's not possible that मैं सारा ख़त्म करूँ. It depends on you how you want to do it. Okay, so it's possible that your inner mirror, inner light and outer light can be the same only if you can break that barrier. And now still how to go deep into the levels of mind is deep connection within. It's always said by many people that I want to take a break and I want to go somewhere and explore myself. And this light itself speaks, like अगर आप इसको देखोगे तो भी बहुत एनर्जी मिलेगी. If you see, this is a very nice place where all mountains are there. Is a beautiful book, and एक चाय का प्याला भी है साथ में. तो it's nothing is about seriousness. You can just enjoy that surrounding, and that surrounding itself will teach you so much because there is so much energy there. Nature has the beautiful aspect of energy that you can experience. मैं हमेशा लोगों को कहती हूँ, whenever you are stressed, just connect with the nature for some time. डोंट डू एनी थिंग, डोंट लिसन टू म्यूज़िक. अगर हो सकता है तो आप एक वॉक के थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो या बैठ जाओ. सुबह सुबह अगर आप जाओगे तो यू विल हियर द बर्ड्स चर्पिंग. देर इज़ प्रियदर्शनी पार्क हियर, देर आर सो मेनी पार्क्स हियर. दे हैव ब्यूटिफुल ways where you can experience. So this is the way you can experience the deep connection within, and that's where you can experience the aspect of your soul also. What is the purity of your mind? You will experience the mind also. एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट जब मैं सिखाती भी हूँ तो भी मैं मेरे वर्कशॉप्स और कोर्सेज में भी बताती हूँ कि हमेशा एक स्पिरिचुअल डायरी मेंटेन करो. या तो आप आपके मोबाइल्स में लिख सकते हो, एवरीथिंग इज नाउ स्मार्टफोन्स, but always write something, even though you have written in your mobiles and anything, but write something, because tomorrow, after few months, or after years, when you look back, you will be surprised at what you have written, what you had inside you. And I always have heaps of my diary after my meditation or anything that I do, and inspiration just starts flowing up. I don't have to meditate to have that inspiration ideas. It just comes because I'm willing. Okay, and there's heaps of diary, and sometimes I don't know that I have written this. So there's so much that's there within you, that's deep within you. All you have to do is connect. So maybe you can go for a nature nature stay. You can go to a beautiful place and stay with your friends. And there are a lot of spiritual retreats which are being done right now. So many people are doing spiritual retreats. So you can attend one of that, but try to connect with yourself, whichever ways you like. Connect with nature, take some time out, and then you see how your creativity also starts exploring. Now this creativity of your mind will be able to help you in every ways, in your business, in your life career, in your in your studies. Everywhere it will help you, because a creative mind is always full of ideas that can help you in your career, in your studies. I'm an artist, so I know the best way I can utilize that is in your own creations. In your own creations means you can paint, you can cook, you can sing. So you see, the openness of the mind can be utilized in so many ways, so many ways. Just any step you take, anything that you have learned, try to deeply connect within. Whatever you have learned, try to understand कि ये सीख के मैंने क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया है, मेरा माइंड कहाँ पे ग्रो किया है. लाइक इवन वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्न, इवन मेडिटेशन, इससे मुझे क्या मदद हुआ है. मीन्स बी एन ऑब्जर्वर. ऑब्वियसली आई विल कम टू दैट स्लाइड ऑल्सो. सिंक्रोनासिटी, ये आजकल तो बहुत हो रहा है. इंक्रीज सिंक्रोनासिटी इज एन इंडिकेटर दैट अ स्पिरिचुअल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज हैपनिंग इन यू. एंड हाउ टू सी दैट, बी एन ऑब्जर्वर. कई बार सिंक्रोनिसिटी बहुत होती है कि लोग बोलते हैं कि मैंने बस इसके बारे में सोचा था और ये चीज़ें मेरे सामने आ गई कि ये क्वेश्चन था और इसका जवाब मेरे पास आ गया. सो एवरीथिंग एवरीवेयर इन द यूनिवर्स इज़ वर्किंग ऑन अ सिंक्रोनिसिटी. अगर आप सिंक्रोनाइज्ड है तो इसकी साइकिल आप पकड़ सकते हो, and you will walk on those cycles. So like I'm always connected with angels. So wherever I go, like yesterday I was just going somewhere and there was a very highest amount of synchronization going, and that's where I found this slide also. तो तभी मुझे ध्यान में आया कि synchronicity के बारे में मैं बताऊँ. So everywhere I was seeing 4444, and 4444 is a number of angels. It's a presence of angels around you, and they connect you with synchronicity of various things. Like one is the numbers, another is the feathers, another is fragrances around you, or any guidance they will give you through books or through people. So a lot of synchronicity is happening around you. It's not just happening with me, it's happening with everyone. So something it's trying to tell you. Be an observer. You may not be able to do it all the time, but somewhere when you enter to the silence of your mind, when you calm your mind, like you all know that we have three frequencies of mind: beta frequency, alpha frequency, theta, and the highest one is a delta. Beyond that there are many frequencies, but what we majorly look and see is beta frequency. That is, जो भी हम सुनते हैं, समझते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, वो सारा बीटा माइंड इसको एब्जॉर्ब करता है डे टू डे. अल्फा फ्रीक्वेंसीज जब आप काम हो, बेस्ट वे ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसिंग अल्फा फ्रीक्वेंसीज इज, आप मेडिटेशन जब करते हो उसके पहले आपके माइंड को हमेशा रिलैक्स करो. कोई भी मैं हीलिंग सिखाती हूँ उसके पहले मैं यही कहती हूँ, अगर आपका माइंड और बॉडी रिलैक्स है तो हीलिंग 100% जाएगा. तो माइंड को रिलैक्स करो. इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग अ मेडिटेशन, ट्राई टू रिलैक्स योर माइंड. हाउ यू कैन रिलैक्स द माइंड इज सिंपल वेज, जो हम बोलते हैं ना, रिवर्स काउंटिंग करो, या 5 to 1 and then you come back with the count of 1 to 5. So relax your mind. Slowly your mind will come to those layers, those tracks where you will be able to capture the silences, and then you can be an observer. And many such synchronicities you can catch up. Like when I came very earlier. I came before 2:30. I said, what I will do here? So I don't know, there's a restaurant there and I just went there, and I don't know why I was called there. I came half the way up and I again went there. Maybe I thought I'll have a cup of coffee or something like that, but I went there. Later on when I sat there, I realized there was a photo of Prabhupada which was there in front of me, and I realized maybe he had to give some consciousness to me. So because my mind was awake at that time, I immediately turned myself and I went and I sat there. Though I'm eating the food like how everyone else is, but my mind is awake. I know that he's connecting and he's trying to give me something. He's always connecting with people, but whose Wi-Fi signals are open, they will capture that and they will take it. So you don't have to be like, if you're in a good energy space, you will catch up such synchronicities more. But even if our daily life, there are so many incidents that can help you to understand this increased synchronicity. There are times that you are being guided to read a book. Okay. I've read the autobiography of a yogi. The book came to me in 2007, and I read that book 3-4 years. I mean, I just read few chapters. It's not a book that you can read it again and again. But again, I was guided that read that book, and I was told that read that chapter. Yogananda's writing is there in that, and I exactly read that chapter only where I was contemplating on, and no wonder it validated that what I was thinking and what guidance I was understanding is truly जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, हर चीज़ का हमें प्रूफ चाहिए होता है. वैलिडेशन वो मिल गया उसमें कि वही चैप्टर में वही लिखा था, और जो मैंने 2 दिन पहले जो हम हमारे जैसे हम टीचर्स से कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, आई डू दैट कन्वर्सेशन विथ माई गुरु मास्टर्स. many a times I don't get answers. I also have to come to that levels of silence कि वहाँ जाके ही तुम्हें उस सवाल का जवाब मिलेगा. So it beautifully validated, and I was told that ये बुक पढ़ो, ये चैप्टर पढ़ो. उसी चैप्टर में बराबर उसका आंसर था. So synchronicity is there. Why only that book came up, whereas it was just lying there for a while. Then many such books comes to me, and many such things what I want to give to people in various ways, those books will come. Either someone else will give me, or either it will come to me through someone. Okay. There was one more book which I had lying for a very long time, and it was given to me maybe one year back or something, but I read the book now. Maybe it was required to do now. So all of a sudden, while just cleaning, like I'm explaining the fact of synchronicity, that book just landed up, and I said, if it has landed up, there is something in that, and I finished that book in 2 days. Normally I will take a long time to read it. Unless I don't absorb, I will not go ahead, but I read it in 2 days. and it was a huge book, but I read it in 2 days because I knew there is something, and I got lots from it. Okay. So, and another fact is the dark night of the soul is the process of shedding away your old home and going in the search of new one. We always have two sides of the soul. Our mind captures both the sides, the highest part and the lowest part also, and soul takes it into new births. This process requires a huge leap of faith into the unknown and the alone. That means exploration is required a lot, and many a times you will experience this part of it also. You will wonder that I am trying to explore new things, but why am I experiencing this? So रोशनी में जाने के लिए थोड़ा सा अंधकार तो होता ही है, उसको पूरा एक्सपांड करने से पहले थोड़ा सा अंधकार भी हैव टू सी, बिकॉज दिस बिलोंग्स टू आवर सोल ओनली, नथिंग एल्स. ये हमारे माइंड ने ही सारा कैप्चर किया है, हमारी ही जर्नीज रही है, तो थोड़ा बहुत ब्लैकनेस तो रहेगा, थोड़ा बहुत डार्कनेस तो रहेगा. सो वंस यू शेड अवे दैट ओल्ड होम, अ न्यू वन विल कम. But what you require is a leap of faith. That means something to experience, you also have to take a step. A step is nothing but a leap of faith, and once you take, your multiple steps will be created for you. You don't have to take another things, because we are walking parallelly with all the ascended masters. I can feel the presence of ascended masters everywhere around us. Like after this lecture I will show you an image. I was just coming from Baikla station, and there is a school, I think there was a statue of Jesus, I think. I clicked that, I think I sent it to you. It was so beautiful, as if he is trying to guide, and he is trying to protect everyone. That means the presence of higher masters are always there, but if our mind is silenced to that level, we can feel what they are saying. We may not see them because they are always lights, but we can find the essence and their their purity of their knowledge that they are trying to tell us. I mean, it's just that I looked up, and when I looked up, I saw it's like so beautiful. He is like, I will show you that image, but it's like my mind was there at that time, and maybe the Wi-Fi signal was connecting at that time. I could see it. I just captured it and I sent it to everyone. Okay. So yeah, how to track the levels of mind? Acceptance of changes. Many a times, like you can see this image, there, like these can be our problems or anything, and this is the aspect of grounding. Grounding is very essential for spiritual growth. Grounding means you are balanced, and this can be a vacuum that a problem or a issue can create in us, but this vacuum can be filled by light also. You can see the light. This is a normal image. It depends on your creativity of your mind, how you can interpret it. Okay. So you see this vacuum, it's a artist's beautiful creation. This is actually there, it's not just an image, but you can see the vacuum it has created. How he made this, what level of mind he must be using. He must be definitely having a good IQ or super consciousness, though he may be facing problems because of his lower self, but he definitely has an enlightened mind, and there is beyond that also. So if you see, there is a vacuum which is created because of his life experiences, but it can be filled by light instead of more problems. So it's up to you what you take. Then he also connected, his books also connected with me. Be the architect of your own happiness, the secret lies within. Yogiraj Siddhanath, he has, I was listening to his video yesterday about his experience with Babaji. Babaji is my master guru, and yeah, I think मला exactly माहिती नहीं है, but I could just connect with him. When I was seeing his lectures on YouTube, my mind was so silenced at that time. I mean, I was doing many things at that time, but I was totally connected with him. Though I was doing multiple things at that time, his video was going on, and what he was saying about Babaji, I could totally experience it. Because there was a stillness there, and I could feel that, because some of his words I could feel because I've experienced that about Babaji. Babaji means Maha Avatar Babaji. And he has a lot of his books, so you can read these spiritual books also. That can also help you to enlighten your mind and put some nice knowledge into it, which can become the essence of your soul on your later on soul journey. So his videos are there on YouTube, Yogiraj Siddhanath, and Lightning with Babaji. I think that book is there. It's a world famous book. It's there on Amazon.com. Even I have ordered my copy, so you can read it. I wasn't, I'll tell you about my experience with Babaji. It's like my mind had captured him 10 years back. I think it was 2006 when I bought my first Doreen Virtue Oracle cards, and I had bought the Ascended Master cards. I think that was the second set I had bought, and there was one card that used to always pop up in that, and that was of Babaji. And till that time I did not know about Babaji, who was Babaji, and there was a meaning written to that about yoga. I said, yoga I always do, so why this card is coming to me again and again? I never knew this yoga means Kriya Yoga. It talked about Kriya Yoga, the science of self-realization. That means, see, it came to me 10 years back also. My mind did try to capture, my mind did try to question it, but I didn't dig it. But it eventually came to me because I was meant for it. I was meant for higher consciousness, so it came to me. And then when I connected with Babaji in 2014, I think 2013 only I connected, but the exploration came into 2014 when I went to his caves in Kukuchina. It's very close to Nainital, and that's where I experienced the aspect of Babaji. And many people have also validated that, I've been connected with Babaji and since many births. So my mind has that capture. What I'm telling you this experience is because my mind has that capture, because it's an fragrance of my soul. This knowledge that I have, it's a fragrance. So it's an highest aspect of my soul, and that mind has captured that, and that memory still exists. Babaji is 3000 years old, maybe more than that or less than that also, but he's still alive, and he's the only master who is unascended. So many people have written about their experiences of Babaji, and you can read his books also. Many are there. There is a book called as Know Thyself by G.K. Pradhan, and many I can tell you later on also. So this is what we are comprised of. I found a slide yesterday. It's not made by me. I found it on Google. It talks about many layers of your body, or your auric layers, your soul, but all are connected with fine, because somewhere the storage is also happening. Something is thinking, and somewhere it's getting stored. So the higher layers are where the intellect is stored. The lower layers are where the physical consciousness and what we observe or what we feed our mind is stored. So our physical body is nothing but what our mind is thinking and our mind is feeding. But our mind starts feeding the right thing, our physical body also will start healing very faster. It will start detoxifying also very faster. Okay. So I won't go much into this, but this is also, I like to come into the enlightened mind. What are the essentials? Is the source experiences, self-enquiry and samadhi. Source experiences means what is the sources, divine sources around you, what are they trying to tell you? It's nothing called as, it's nothing but collective unconsciousness. You must have heard about Sigmund Freud, Sigmund, yeah. So he talks a lot about that, and he is the only one who talks about unconscious mind, collective unconsciousness. Otherwise, there is not much written about it. There are only one or two scientists who talk about that. There's one more apart from him. And self-inquiry is a part that I'm assessing myself, I'm analyzing, like how when you go to a doctor, or you have your charts where they maintain your files and all. So self-inquiry is nothing. I assess my own self. Now how will I assess? I will assess through mind, right? So whatever is fed in my mind, I will experience that first. Once I clear that, I will experience more. Okay. And then final state is samadhi. Samadhi means stillness. But to come to stillness, we have to silence our mind. That means if there is a lake, and if we try to throw the pebbles, so how will be the reflection? It will be blurred, or it will be mixed image. But if we totally allow it to still, can we see ourselves? Yes. So mind is also like that. It has a clear mirror in front of you. Your mind is also connected with your higher mind, that is called as a higher self. But if your internal mirror is very clear, you will be able to connect to that aspect of divine. And that's very much possible. It's not nothing that you need to be on a very higher journey. You can be just simple, and you can just be an observer to yourself. Still you can march the journey now. Okay. And be the self. I mean, try to be connected with your own essence and your own selves. You have all the talents that you require. Not everything needs to be learned, but there are a lot of things which are inside you. That means you can blossom into an beautiful butterfly all the time. You have all the colors, and all these colors are nothing but different layers of consciousness fed in us. The more the lighter colors, the more of the higher talents that you can catch up. That means if you see these colors are also seen in our aura. When you do an aura photography or something, we see colors in that. Depending what are the kind of colors we have, that's the kind of energy we have. So if we have little darker colors in our aura, it shows the maybe the darker levels of mind that we may have unconsciously. But it also shows the aspect of your energy which you have already stored and you are not aware of. It may also show higher colors in your aura which you are not aware of. So everything is within us. There are many tools by which we can find out, but the best way is to be the self. Okay. Another thing is like I found this slide today morning is like it says about a mixed ball और उसके साथ में एक बल्ब जुड़ा हुआ है और ये बॉल जो है वो आपके अंदर से निकला है. ये बॉल क्या है? एक मिक्स्ड इमोशंस है. यानी किसी भी चीज़ का आपको सोल्यूशन चाहिए वो आपके अंदर ही है. उसका जो बल्ब है वो आपके अंदर ही चल रहा है. लेकिन कई बार जैसे मैंने कहा कि माइंड का जो लेयर्स होता है, कॉन्शियस, सबकॉन्शियस या इसको हम बोलते हैं अनकॉन्शियस भी, ये कई बार डार्क होते हैं या इस पर धूल मिट्टी यानी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इमोशंस है ये सारा. तो जब इसको क्लीन किया जाता है ये सब नहीं रहेगा, डायरेक्टली ये बल्ब्स ही रहेंगे. इट विल कीप पॉपिंग अप. इट विल बी लाइक लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज़ एंड इंस्पिरेशन स्टार्ट्स कमिंग टू यू. बट ये किसने बनाया है? ये भगवान ने तो नहीं बनाया, ये इंसान ने ही बनाया है. तो जब ये सुलझता जाएगा तो यू विल गेट कनेक्टेड विद दैट. समटाइम्स टू कम टू दिस लेवल इट टेक्स अस टाइम, बिकॉज हम इमोशंस से इतने गिरे. लेकिन जब हम इस इमोशंस को हमारे माइंड में से निकालते जाते हैं, there are many ways. Through healings also you can heal yourself, through yoga also you can do, through having a proper nutrition also you can have a very good mind, a good physical body and a good finally a good soul and a good spirit. So many ways are there to clear all this clutter. So it's very important कि ये declutter होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि पहले का अगर नहीं निकालोगे तो नया आएगा. Every day our mind has around 55,000 thoughts, and out of which 90 to 95% are all negative. and पुराना तो ऑलरेडी है लेकिन नया भी हम ये सारा उलझन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, तो नए आइडियाज़ कैसे आएंगे? Okay, so in order to prosper in our life also we need to have new ideas, inspirations and new things that can help us to grow in our life, even not just spiritually but even as a life experience or a life जिसको बोलते हैं कि हमें लाइफ में कुछ पाना है तो कुछ तो आइडियाज़ चाहिए, right? No, if I clear all this clutter then I will have more ideas. That means I'm clearing the mirror of my mind which can help me to see more clear. That means yes, creating a space and allowing it to be clean. इसको क्लीन रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो every day every moment lot of things are coming up, lot of things are shaping up, but is that making our mind strong or is that making our mind weak? ये देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तो होगा. Okay. And I like this Swami Shivananda's quote: put your heart and mind and intellect and soul into even your smallest act. This is the secret of the secret of success. This is spiritual ways of finding success. All my workshops and courses I try to combine the spiritual law of attraction, not just the mind law of attraction, because that stays permanent. और अगर मैंने नया जन्म भी लिया तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे ये माइंड में डाला है तो किसी ना किसी लेयर्स में तो रहेगा. मेरा ब्रेन ये मेमोरीज तो स्टोर ज़रूर करेगा. Okay, and there are a lot of children who have super brains and super IQs. And now I'll come to this. This is called as a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. Now here I'll explain you this. Now how this works. Okay, our mind, this is my experience. What I have taken is mind is divided into three levels. Is the lower self, the average consciousness and the enlightened mind. Now lower self is full of all these emotions like ego, criticism, worry, fear. या तो दो या तो लो, ये कुछ ना कुछ तो हम एनर्जी एक्सचेंज करते ही है. या तो दो भी मत लो भी मत. Okay? तो फिर ये लेवल के माइंड से आप यहाँ तक, ये तो है सबके अंदर लेकिन कई बार परसेंटेज इसका ज़्यादा होता है. एंड अदर लोअर इमोशंस. नाउ व्हाट इज एवरेज कॉन्शियसनेस? एवरेज कॉन्शियसनेस इज जस्ट टू बी अ फॉलोअर. आई डोंट वांट टू लीड, आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अ फॉलोअर. ओके, देन ऑन द वे ऑफ एक्सप्लोरेशन, यानी जर्नी में चला हूँ और मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ. देन ब्रिज एक्सपीरियंस experience of self and reality. That means somewhere I'm into an exploration, somewhere I'm into a confusion. I've already started, but I'm into a self exploration. थोड़ा confusion है कि what is this and what is a real reality. So it's an path of exploration. But this mind, average consciousness, is divided into a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. Now, what is fixed mindset? Intelligence is something you have or you don't have, whereas in a growth mindset it can be developed, because everyone have unique DNAs in them, and at least हमने कुछ तो DNAs अगर हमारे cells में से use किए, we can still have a very good and a superior IQ and a growth mindset. And what is a fixed mindset? A desire to look smart, which means that you avoid challenges or you embrace challenges. या हम अवॉइड करते हैं कि नहीं अभी नहीं, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, या तो हम इसे एक्सेप्ट करते हैं या नया सीखने जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स कीप गोइंग व्हेन थिंग्स आर डिफिकल्ट और जस्ट गिव अप इजीली. Sometimes you may use certain qualities in this and certain qualities in this, but a balance is what is required. Okay, sometimes we may be a left-sided brain, or sometimes we may be a right-sided brain. बट सिर्फ लेफ्ट साइडेड ब्रेन होके नहीं चलता है, दोनों ब्रेन्स का बैलेंस होना ज़रूरी है, संतुलन होना ज़रूरी है. लेफ्ट साइडेड इज मोर अबाउट एनालिटिकल साइड एंड राइट साइड इज मोर अबाउट द क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट और द इंट्यूशन. वी कैन नॉट बी जस्ट राइट साइडेड or we cannot be just left sided. It's required a balance. Okay, so sometimes you may have some of these qualities, some of these qualities, but a balance is something what is required. And see effort as a waste of time, यानी कि चलो सीखा, अभी इससे कुछ मिला नहीं, अभी my time has got wasted. But some people who have a growth mindset say that okay, whatever effort I have done, I'll make sure that it will help me to go on the path of mastery. Okay, another is ignore criticism and learn from criticism. कि लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं तो ठीक है, मैं इससे सीखता हूँ. ओके, एंड फील थ्रेटन्ड बाय द सक्सेस ऑफ अदर्स एंड लर्न एंड फाइंड इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम द सक्सेस ऑफ अदर्स. दैट मीन्स कुछ ये एस्पेक्ट्स भी इसमें आ गए हैं. ओके, एंड द हायर एनलाइटेंड माइंड इज super intellect. That means this is the qualities that one can have, but it can also have other percentages of a lower self and average consciousness also. It depends कि आपको कौन सा परसेंटेज चाहिए. वो हर एक का वेरी करेगा. किसी का ये 70% रहेगा, ये 10% रहेगा, ये 20% रहेगा, किसी का ये 70% रहेगा, ये 20% रहेगा और ये सिर्फ 10% रहेगा. ये परसेंटेजेस आपके ऊपर है, आपकी माइंड पे है, आप कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हो. ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के थ्रू, सेल्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन के थ्रू, या यू नो फाइंडिंग दैट इनर कनेक्ट. यू हैव मेनी टूल्स एंड वेरियस वेज वेयर यू कैन कनेक्ट. सो एन एनलाइटेंड माइंड विल हैव अ सुपर इंटेलेक्ट, a higher DNA, a supreme mind. Supreme mind, it's a balance between the higher layers of consciousness and lower layers of consciousness. When you are grounded also, where you are connected with the higher elements of consciousness also, there is a balance, and the balance radiates between your heart, that's connected with your soul. Okay, so and the higher IQ means बहुत सारे बच्चे देखे होंगे कि जिनके IQs अभी बहुत हाई है. जैसे मैं हमेशा एग्जांपल देती हूँ, वो गूगल बच्चा है जिसका नाम है चॉन्टल. he also has a higher IQ. Where that level of mind came? It came, must have stored somewhere and then it came. So he's got an enlightened mind. अगर उसके mind को develop किया जाए तो he can experience so many things. Okay, and the last is the cosmic consciousness. That means we see collective consciousness as something that we have experienced as a soul, but there is something beyond that is called as cosmic consciousness. That means beyond reality is what you can experience, and beyond your mind capabilities, what you can just averagely think, there is much beyond that. You can experience that if you try to track your minds in various ways, and you can experience that in your meditations also. You don't have to be a very deep meditator. If you are a deep meditator, it's very good, but even in few seconds of your meditation you can experience that. You can experience the nothingness, you can experience all this beautiful cosmic energy around, you can also experience the beautiful universes around, and it's possible in maybe this birth itself. You don't need to take 100 births, but feed the mind the right things. Okay, if you're experiencing these things, don't give up easily. If it's criticism happening to you, learn from that criticism what it has to say from you. It will make you a strong person. It will never make you a weak person. Okay, and I always put some quotes from Bhagavad Gita. one can read this also because it's available in English also. My guru योगानंदा जी ने भी गीता के बारे में लिखा है. इनकी बुक्स अवेलेबल है at there's a YSS organization here in Vadala, and you can find that I think on Amazon also. He has written about Bhagavad Gita in his own ways, so in a beautiful ways that he has experienced that he has written it. So you can also read Bhagavad Gita, and अगर उसमें से एक चैप्टर भी अगर आप पढ़ो तो काफ़ी सारा आपका माइंड एनलाइटन हो जाएगा. तो धीरे धीरे जब ये परसेंटेज आपका बढ़ने लगेगा तो लोअर कॉन्शियसनेस कम होगा. आप खुद ही डील कर पाओगे कि इसको निकालना कैसे है. आपको किसी के पास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑलवेज से द गुरु इज़ विद इन यू. गुरु आपको आपके अंदर दिखेगा. देयर विल बी मैनी पीपल हु विल गाइड यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गुरु, मास्टर्स एंड टीचर्स, बट फाइनली यू हैव टू वॉक अलोन. एंड दिस इज़ माई नेक्स्ट स्लाइड व्हाट इट सेज. This is what it says. I'll come to that. Okay, this is what I wanted to say is the aspect of things that are most important for us are hidden because of their simplicity and familiarity. Things what we want are very simple, but because our mind makes it very very unaccessible and complex, and we cannot observe that because हम देखने जाते हैं वो चीज़ों को हायर कॉन्शियसनेस को, लेकिन चश्मे हमने अलग अलग कलर्स के भरे हुए हैं, लाल कलर के, डार्क कलर्स के, ब्लैक कलर के, तो हमें दिखेगा कैसे. तो जब ये चश्मे हटते हैं हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स के थ्रू या सिचुएशंस के थ्रू, जब हम अपना एक्सप्लोरेशन करने जाते हैं तब ये माइंड के लेयर्स हटने लगते हैं. एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग द सेल्फ, बी अ सेल्फ एक्सप्लोरर, नो दाई सेल्फ. ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आप इस लाइन्स को पढ़िए. इट सेज दैट आई एम नॉट वॉट यू थिंक आई एम, you are what you think I am. Try to read it again. There is a lot meaning in that. I am not what you think I am, you are what you think I am. It talks about self mirror. It's very depth in that. अगर ये भी मैं फीड करूँगी ना, these are like affirmations. If you want to change your self dialogue. I always say this is the base of every healing. Self dialogue अगर किसी का चेंज होता है ना, तो आप अपने आप को नेचुरली हील कर सकते हो. ये बहुत बड़ा एस्पेक्ट है. देन एक्सप्लोरिंग थ्रू द जर्नीज ऑफ योर सोल एग्जिस्टेंस, देन योर माइंड बिकम्स वेरी क्लियर. इट सेड दैट ये जो जिसे हम बोलते हैं थर्ड आई, इट स्टार्ट्स ओपनिंग. और जब ये ओपन हो जाता है तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें दिखने लगती है. इट्स लाइक अ मूवी, इट्स लाइक अ स्क्रीन वेर यू कैन सी ट्रांसपेरेंटली एवरीथिंग. आइदर यू कैन सी द पास्ट, यू कैन सी द फ्यूचर, यू कैन सी बियॉन्ड थिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन सी मेनी कैनवासेस दैट आपके सोल्स की जर्नीज में आपने पेंट किए हुए, हर एक जर्नी में आपने क्या क्या किया है वो सब दिख सकता है. बट देन व्हेन यू रीच टू दैट लेवल ऑफ माइंड, दिस व्हेन वी सेड दैट इग्नोरेंस इज अ ब्लिस, यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू गो इन टू दैट डेप्थ. यू अंडरस्टूड द लेसन, जो कोर लेसन था वो आपने ले लिया है. तो ये भी है कि जब आप सुपीरियर लेवल्स ऑफ माइंड तक रीच करते हो तब ये भी आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो. ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस and explore through your own consciousness. Your consciousness might be less, but try to make it more. उसको थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाओ, थोड़ा सा और खाद पानी दो. खाद पानी कैसे दोगे? अच्छी चीज़ें पढ़ो, अच्छी कंपनीज में रहो, अच्छे वाइब्स में रहो, गो टू गुड प्लेसेस, मेडिटेट अ लॉट, रीड गुड बुक्स, रीड गुड सेइंग्स ऑफ पीपल. मॉर्निंग और नाइट में ये दोनों टाइम पे ये चीज़ें करो. दिन भर में आपको यू विल बी एक्सपीरियंसिंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इन द नाइट योर माइंड इज in a flexible mode. At that time, if you feed these things, it will easily go inside, and in the day it will blend beautifully. So if you state your day, I want my day like this, it will actually happen. Okay, so the start of the day and end of the day, ये दोनों चीज़ें आप पकड़ो. अगर आपने वो दोनों चीज़ें पकड़ ली तो काफ़ी सारा आपके अंदर बदलाव आएगा. In the morning always say gratitude, in the night always say thankfulness. ये दो कीज़ है जो आपके लाइफ में हमेशा मिरेकल्स और जिसको बोलते हैं कि लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कैन हैपन इन योर लाइफ. आई मीन आई ऑलवेज से आई बिलीव इन मिरेकल्स. मैं ये दोनों चीज़ें फॉलो करती हूँ. बिलीफ एंड ट्रस्ट ये हमेशा रखना. ओके, एंड एक्सप्लोरेशन लाइज विद इन. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस स्लाइड आई गॉट. कॉस्मिक एनर्जी हमारे शरीर में कैसे आती है? इट इज़ वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा हियर. ओके, थ्रू इट पासेस इनटू आवर बॉडी, लाइक इन आर मेरिडियंस, आर नाडीज, चक्रास या सेल, सब जगह में ये एनर्जी पास होती है. सो आर स्टोरेज इज समवेयर वॉट वेयर इट लाइज विद इन. कॉस्मिक एनर्जी सबको आती है. ऐसे नहीं कि इनको 10% आएगी, मुझे 80% आएगी, इनको 100% आएगी या उनको 50%. एवरी वन एक्सपीरियंसेस कॉस्मिक एनर्जी एंड दैट एनर्जी ऑल्सो हैज़ कॉस्मिक कॉन्शियसनेस. ओके, सो एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑलवेज विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम विद इन, नॉट आउटसाइड. Okay, and it's a long road of this journey of life. At times you will be alone with no one, no end in the sight. No matter what, keep going, because once you turn that corner it will be really worth it. कई बार हमें अकेले ही चलना पड़ता है ये जर्नी में, और लोग होंगे आपके साथ, लेकिन कई बार ऐसे लगेगा कि I'm just alone and there's no one, but once you turn that road you will really feel it's worth it. And I've crossed many such roads of my life, and I really feel that life is really worth it. Ki I'm glad that I took those, even though I found myself alone in that, though there were people with me, but I'm really glad that I took those roads. And those, by taking those roads, it has not only opened the layers of my mind, but it has connected me with what was already there within. और ये जो मैं दे रही हूँ ये मेरे अंदर का ही मैं दे रही हूँ, मैं कहीं से नहीं दे रही हूँ, या जो यूनिवर्स में अवेलेबल है उसी को कैप्चर करके एब्जॉर्ब करके मैं आपको खींच के दे रही हूँ. Okay, so all this, whoever writes it and makes it, it comes from that layers of consciousness only. And keep your face always to the sunshine, and the shadows will fall behind you. See, there's a lot of depth in that. Like shadow, जब आप चलोगे तो shadow तो हमेशा होने ही वाली है, लेकिन मैं shadow क्या है, मेरे problems हैं, मेरे fears है, मेरे worries है, मेरे tensions है, या वो जो life में मुझे तंग कर रहा है. लेकिन उसी समय पे मैंने light को देखा, तो कहाँ पे मेरा माइंड जाएगा कि I will be able to find solutions towards that. A light will help you to realize lot of things in you, whereas a shadow will take you more down. Okay, so कुदरत हमें हमेशा सिखाने जाता है, like we experience everything in our day-to-day life. The synchronicities are there in our life, but it's up to us like how we want to learn and how our mind want to learn from that every moment or every day, or whatever you experience throughout that day, how we want to learn. So our mind is like a directory. So if you write your experiences throughout the day, at the end of the day, if you write it, you will be surprised that your consciousness is already there, but you didn't realize it. Okay. If you write even one line, so many layers of our mind has captured all these emotions, but just a thought of going above the sunshine than the darkness, we stand out from others. Okay. If we want to look at the sunshine or we want to look at the darkness तो सबके अंदर है. Everyone has a dark part of the soul that always hounds us and tries to trouble us or something. ये हमारा ही है, ये कोई नहीं डाल रहा है हम पे, भाई ये हमारा ही है, ये हमारा ही डार्क पार्ट है सोल का. लेकिन अगर हमने डिसाइड किया कि आई विल लुक एट द हाईएस्ट पार्ट ऑफ मी एंड द हाईएस्ट एस्पेक्ट पार्ट ऑफ मी, दैट इज नथिंग बट लाइट. आई एम मेड अप ऑफ लाइट. though I am a physical body, I am made of energy, protons, neutrons, atoms, molecules. I am finally made up of light. And all these ascended masters around us are in the form of lights only. Even angels you will find in the form of lights. If you start connecting with angels, slowly you will find them like in the form of beautiful lights around you. That's the presence that they show, that they are always around you. Okay. And lastly, feed your thoughts the right things. आप जो डीजल या पेट्रोल डालोगे उस हिसाब से माइंड आपका चलने वाला है. आइदर यू कैन मेक योर माइंड अ वीड, आई मीन एक बहुत सारा इट्स, और इट कैन बी लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन. तो आप जो ईंधन डालोगे हिसाब से गाड़ी आपकी चलेगी, या जो आप खाद डालोगे उस हिसाब से आपका गार्डन बनने वाला है. सो मेक श्योर आपका लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन भी बैलेंस रखो और राइट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन भी बैलेंस रखो, क्योंकि ऑप्टिमली जब ये बैलेंस रहेगा तभी आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट करोगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड इफ़ यू हैव queries, you can write to me on this email ID, and these are my contact numbers. Thank you.